Imagine a library with millions of books, but no organization. Finding a specific book would be impossible. This is similar to the challenge biologists faced before classification. Biological classification is like creating a library catalog for life. It helps us organize and understand the vast diversity of life on Earth. Classification systems group organisms based on shared characteristics. These systems help us identify relationships between different species. They also provide insights into evolutionary history. Classification is crucial for communication among scientists worldwide. One of the earliest classification systems was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in the 18th century. This system recognized two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. Plants were characterized by their ability to produce their own food through photosynthesis. Animals, on the other hand, obtained nourishment by consuming other organisms. While the two-kingdom system was a significant step forward, it had limitations. As our understanding of the microscopic world expanded, it became clear that many organisms did not fit neatly into either kingdom. For instance, microorganisms like bacteria and fungi exhibited traits of both plants and animals. In 1969, R.H. Whittaker proposed a five-kingdom classification system that addressed the limitations of the two-kingdom model. Whittaker's system included Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. This system considered cell structure, mode of nutrition, and level of organization. The five-kingdom system provided a more comprehensive framework for classifying life. It acknowledged the distinct characteristics of microorganisms. It highlighted the evolutionary relationships among different groups of organisms. Kingdom Monera comprises single-celled prokaryotic organisms. These organisms lack a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They are found in diverse habitats, from extreme environments like hot springs to the human gut. The kingdom Monera is further divided into two subcategories, Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria are ancient bacteria that thrive in extreme conditions. Eubacteria are more common and occupy a vast range of habitats. Bacteria play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, decomposition, and even human health. Some bacteria are beneficial, while others can cause diseases. Understanding bacterial diversity is essential for various fields, including medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. Beyond the kingdoms, viruses, viroids, and lichens. These entities challenge our understanding of life and its boundaries. While the five-kingdom system encompasses a vast majority of life forms, some entities exist outside this classification. These unique forms of life defy the conventional categories and present intriguing biological puzzles. Viruses, for instance, are not considered living organisms. They exist in a gray area between living and non-living entities. They lack cellular structure and cannot reproduce independently. Instead, they rely entirely on the machinery of a host cell to multiply. Viruses are infectious agents that consist of genetic material enclosed in a protein coat. This genetic material can be either DNA or RNA, which dictates their mode of infection. They can only replicate by infecting living cells and hijacking their cellular machinery. This process often leads to the destruction of the host cell. Viroids are even simpler than viruses, consisting only of a short strand of RNA. They lack a protein coat and are known to cause diseases in plants. Lichens, on the other hand, represent a fascinating example of symbiosis. They thrive in diverse and often harsh environments, showcasing the power of mutualistic relationships. They are composite organisms formed from the association of a fungus and an alga or a cyanobacterium. This partnership allows them to survive in conditions where neither could live alone. The fungus provides structure and protection, while the alga or cyanobacterium provides food through photosynthesis. This intricate relationship highlights the complexity and interdependence of life forms. Kingdom Protista, the first eukaryotes. Kingdom Protista comprises a diverse group of eukaryotic organisms. Eukaryotic cells possess a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Protists are primarily unicellular, but some, like algae, can form colonies. Kingdom Protista includes a wide range of organisms, including protozoa, algae, and slime molds. Protozoa are animal-like protists that are heterotrophic, meaning they obtain nutrition by consuming other organisms. Algae are plant-like protists that are autotrophic, meaning they can produce their own food through photosynthesis. Slime molds are unique protists that exhibit characteristics of both fungi and animals. Kingdom Fungi, the Great Decomposers. Kingdom Fungi comprises heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms. Fungi obtain nutrition by absorbing organic matter from their surroundings. They play a crucial role in ecosystems as decomposers, breaking down dead organisms and recycling nutrients. Fungi exhibit a wide range of forms and lifestyles. Some fungi, like mushrooms, produce visible fruiting bodies that release spores for reproduction. Others, like yeasts, are unicellular and reproduce by budding. Fungi have significant ecological and economic importance. They are essential for nutrient cycling, plant growth, and food production. Some fungi are also used in medicine and biotechnology. Kingdom Plantae, the foundation of terrestrial life. This kingdom is fundamental to the existence of life on Earth. Kingdom Plantae comprises multicellular, eukaryotic organisms that are autotrophic. These organisms are capable of producing their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Plants possess chloroplasts, specialized organelles that capture light energy for photosynthesis. This process converts light energy into chemical energy, which is stored in the form of glucose. They are the primary producers in most terrestrial ecosystems, forming the base of the food chain. Without plants, the energy flow in ecosystems would be disrupted, affecting all living organisms. Plants exhibit a remarkable diversity of forms and adaptations. From the arid deserts to lush rainforests, plants have evolved unique features to survive in various environments. From towering trees to delicate wildflowers, plants have evolved to thrive in diverse environments. Their adaptability is key to their survival and proliferation. They play crucial roles in regulating climate, providing oxygen, and supporting animal life. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is essential for the survival of most living organisms. Plants are also essential for human survival. They are a primary source of food, providing us with fruits, vegetables, grains, and more. They provide us with food, oxygen, medicine, and various other resources. Many plants have medicinal properties and are used in traditional and modern medicine. Understanding plant biology is crucial for agriculture, forestry, and conservation efforts. By studying plants, we can improve crop yields, manage forests sustainably, and protect endangered species. Kingdom Animalia, diverse and abundant life. The animal kingdom is a vast and intricate web of life, teeming with an incredible variety of species. Kingdom Animalia comprises multicellular, eukaryotic organisms that are heterotrophic. These organisms rely on consuming organic material for energy, setting them apart from plants and fungi. Animals are characterized by their ability to move, their sensory systems, and their complex behaviors. Their movement is often driven by the need to find food, escape predators, or seek mates. They exhibit the greatest diversity of body plans and adaptations among all kingdoms. From the streamlined bodies of fish to the intricate wings of butterflies, the variety is astounding. Animals occupy a vast range of habitats, from the depths of the ocean to the skies above. Each species has evolved to thrive in its specific environment, whether it's the arid desert or the lush rainforest. They play crucial roles in ecosystems as consumers, predators, and prey. These interactions help maintain the balance of nature, ensuring the survival of various species. Animals also exhibit complex social behaviors and communication systems. From the intricate dances of bees to the vocalizations of whales, these behaviors are essential for survival and reproduction. Humans belong to the animal kingdom, and our interactions with other animals have profound implications. Our relationships with animals can be seen in domestication, wildlife conservation, and even in our cultural practices. Understanding animal biology is essential for conservation, medicine, and our understanding of the natural world. By studying animals, we gain insights into our own biology and the health of our planet. Conclusion: the importance of biological classification. Biological classification is an indispensable tool for understanding the diversity of life on Earth. From the simplest bacteria to the most complex animals, classification systems help us organize, identify, and study organisms. These systems provide insights into evolutionary relationships, highlight ecological connections, and facilitate communication among scientists worldwide. As our knowledge of life expands, classification systems continue to evolve, reflecting our deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things.